it really possible to tighten and flatten your stomach, build a sexy yoga booty, de-stress your body, relieve tension, and improve your energy levels without ever setting foot in the gym or in a yoga studio? The answer is yes. And in this short, fast-paced video, I'll walk you through a strategic and enjoyable yoga routine that's unlike anything else you've seen or tried before. This routine is based on a powerful and enjoyable method you can do from the comfort of your own home. Whenever you feel you could use an emotional, mental, or metabolic boost to your day, you'll be able to transform your body, health, and well-being like the countless men and women who already went before you. Hi, I'm Fiona, a health coach and RYT 200 certified yoga instructor. While I've been helping men and women from all around the world reach their dream figure and health goals through yoga for years, I wasn't always in such a position. In fact, during my school years, other students used to make fun of me for being chubby. And while that cruel experience was pure torture and crushed my self-esteem, luckily, it turned out to be one of my most valuable life lessons. That's because this experience made me obsessed with how to live a healthy lifestyle. I was just sick and tired of being chubby and having people make fun of me. But it motivated me to plow through countless books, articles, studies, and podcasts on everything related to health, fitness, and wellness. It let me connect with dozens of yoga and health experts. And it even encouraged me to go on a solo trip to Southeast Asia to visit the world's best health, detox, and yoga retreats. Owing to this burning desire to discover the truth about health and fitness through yoga, and as a consequence of all these experiences, I discovered that there are 3 main yoga mistakes that keep hardworking yogis from reaching their goals. Now, if you feel stuck in a rut and aren't happy with your results, I bet you've also made 1 or 2 of these mistakes. If that is the case, don't worry, because you can easily avoid these mistakes once you know them. Here they are. Mistake number 1, following cookie-cutter yoga classes. One big problem of most yoga classes is that they're not designed for your personal situation, goals, and needs. You see, when you go to the average gym or yoga studio, everyone does the same workout. This means the experienced yoga junkie does the same pose as a 65-year-old couch potato who hasn't exercised for 12 years. Because of that, many trainees try poses for which they're not ready, while others do pose after pose that's way too easy. It's like sending a 6-year-old and a heavyweight boxing champion to the same sparring session. It'll cause lots of frustration, a lack of progress, and possibly even injuries. Fortunately, there's a simple but powerful solution to this mistake. I'll show that solution to you in a moment, but first, let's look at the second mistake. Mistake number 2, not catering your session to your goal. You see, just like gyms and yoga studios don't tailor their sessions to your specific physical abilities, they also don't base them on your goals. That would be impossible. After all, most classes contain a large group of attendees, and every one of these participants has different motives for attending the class. Some want to tighten up their body, lose belly fat, and shape an eye-catching yoga booty. Others go to unwind and de-stress from a long and hectic day at work. And others show up to cultivate an attitude of gratitude and to enjoy the present moment. Because instructors know that everyone comes for a different reason, they usually do a bit of every yoga style in the hope of satisfying everyone. And while that may be in the best interest of the gym or yoga studio, it won't help you to get optimal results. In fact, it'll stall your results even though you exercise hard and attend class after class. That's why it's crucial to follow a yoga style that's optimized for your personal situation, goals, and needs. Which brings us to the third result-sabotaging mistake that way too many men and women all over the world make. Mistake number 3, not increasing the difficulty of the workouts. Because generic yoga classes are not tailored to your needs, but instead to those of the group. The difficulty of the workout program tends to remain the same week after week and month after month. After all, the group of attendees may be completely different this week to what it was last week. That's why almost all yoga classes fail to become more challenging over time. Sure, the instructor may introduce a few new poses occasionally, but most often those are not more challenging than the previous ones. That means you don't expose your body to more challenging stimuli, which means you won't make progress. It's like practicing riding a bicycle for years while always keeping your training wheels on. To improve, eventually you must take them off. The same is true with exercising. For a yoga plan to be successful, your sessions must become more difficult on a week-to-week, month-to-month, and year-to-year basis. Which brings me to something that I'm so excited to introduce you to. You see, as an RYT 200 certified yoga instructor, it hurts me to know that millions of dedicated yogis do workout after workout but end up without results, all because of the 3 mistakes we just covered. After all, the only way by which you can optimize progress is by following a progressive plan that's based on your personal goals, situation, and needs. Now, because it's impossible for yoga class instructors to offer something like that, I created a customized online yoga plan service. If you invest in the service, I'll do all the heavy lifting for you and give you a strategic and progressive yoga plan that you can do in the comfort of your own home. The beauty of this service is that you get your plan customized based on your personal situation, goals, and needs. And when I say customized, I mean it. Your entire plan is designed based on what will deliver the maximum results in the shortest time frame for you. So whether you're a beginner with limited flexibility or an advanced yoga junkie, whether you're a stay-at-home mom or dad or a business professional who is always on the go, and whether your goal is to lose weight, relieve stress, improve balance, tone up your booty, or something else, I'll design your yoga plan around your lifestyle and goals, not the other way around. Because it's crucial to me that you enjoy every aspect of the program and that you get the most life-enhancing benefits from your workouts. But there's more. Besides getting a customized yoga plan, you also get detailed video instructions for every pose. This is so that you can learn every move correctly and comfortably, and so that you can enjoy the life-enhancing benefits of yoga without risking injuries. Even better, you can access these instructions anywhere and instantly. Just log into the members area and you're ready to go. The only thing you need to access your customized yoga plan is a smartphone, tablet, or computer. This means that you can do the workouts wherever and whenever you want. Whether that's at home, in the gym, in the park, at a hotel, on the beach, or wherever the day takes you. But that's not all. If you claim your customized yoga plan, you'll get so much more. For example, you'll get instructional videos with breakthrough techniques on breathing optimization. Very few yoga teachers know these techniques, and I went all the way to the Vikas Yoga Academy in Koh Samui, Thailand to learn them. In other words, I've done everything I can to design an effective, convenient, and enjoyable customized yoga service to help you reach your goals. Whether you want to tighten and flatten your stomach, build a sexy yoga booty, de-stress your body, relieve tension, improve your energy levels, or something else. Best of all, I'll give you access to all of the life-changing content for not even 5% of what you expect to pay. You see, it usually would get really expensive really fast if you want to have a personalized yoga plan created. If you go to a quality yoga trainer for a one-on-one session, you'll pay around $85 or more per workout. So in case you would request 3 sessions per week, you can expect to pay around $1,020 per month. And then, after you've spent all that money, it's still a question of whether you will end up with the results for which you hoped. Because even though there are some fantastic yoga trainers available, unfortunately, many of them don't know what they're doing. Now, because it's my life's mission to help people transform their health and figure in a fast and affordable way, I'm not offering this service for $900. In fact, the price is not even 5% of that. If you act today, you'll get instant access for just $37. I know, that's much cheaper than you would expect from a product like this. But the reason I offer this service for such a low price is that I don't want people missing out on the opportunity because of their financial status. Instead, I want to make it possible for everyone to experience the life-enhancing power of a customized yoga plan. The only reason I can't lower the price even further is that it costs money to offer such a service. I have to invest in advertising, web developers, hosting, camera equipment, and to pay for various other expenses. Right now, I can still make sense of this low price, but in case the numbers don't work out anymore, I'll have to raise the prices. That's why I recommend that you claim your copy now so that you don't have to pay more in the future. And by the way, even though the price is already ridiculously low, I will still protect you with my 100% satisfaction guarantee. It's simple. Order your customized yoga routine and give it your own personal test run. Take a full 2 months and use it as your own. If you aren't fully thrilled with the results, for any reason or for no reason at all, email me for a prompt and courteous refund. No questions asked, no hassle, no delay. That's how confident I am that you will see spectacular results with your customized yoga plan. If this all sounds good, then here's what to do next. First, click the button below this video. You'll land on a secure page that contains a few questions about your current situation and goals. Nothing crazy. I just need some basic info to understand your circumstances better. Answer these questions as accurately as possible, and make sure your contact details are correct so that you can get your customized yoga plan. Then, once you've completed the survey, your customized yoga plan will be instantly created. No waiting around. Everything is done automatically, so even if it's 4 a.m. in the morning, you can still access your custom yoga plan right now. You can then immediately start and enjoy the life-enhancing benefits of yoga. And, of course, you are backed by my 100% no-quibble money-back guarantee. You're either thrilled with the service or you get your money back. In other words, you have nothing to lose by claiming your customized yoga plan. So, click the button below right now to get started.